Bn be sequence of positive real numbers such that nan less than bn less than n square an for all n greater than equal to 2. If the radius of convergence of the power series summation an x raised to the power n is 4, then the power series summation bn x raised to the power n converges for all x with mod x less than 0 converges for all x with mod x greater than 0 does not converges for any x with mod x greater than 0, and option D is does not converge for any x with mod x less than 0. So actually we have to find radius of convergence of this power series. As a radius of convergence of the power series summation a n x raised to the power n is 4, and we have to tell about radius of convergence of the power series bn x raised to the power n. Remember this point to tell about convergence of the power series. Sometimes radius of convergence is very helpful, but interval of convergence is more precise way to answer convergence of some specific point, because of radius of convergence at the boundary of the radius or the circle, or you can say exterior boundary. At that point series may or may not be converged, but whenever we find the interval of convergence, then exactly we can say at what points series will converge or not. So a relation or you can say inequality is given to us n less than bn less than n square an, and this is true for all n greater than equal to 2, and radius of convergence of any power series can be find out with the help of these three formulas. Radius of convergence r can be find out limit n tends to infinity an upon an plus 1, and this one is equal to second one we can use to find radius of convergence with the help of limit n tends to infinity 1 upon an raised to the power 1 upon n, and third one is r equal to limit superior of 1 upon an raised to the power 1 upon n. So these three formulas we can use to find radius of convergence of this power series. As you can see, this is the format or inequality which is given to us, and we will use to find radius of convergence of the power series. Normally this is the format whenever series is given in the an x raised to the power n is running from 0 to infinity. Normally we call this is the standard format of the power series. So we have to tell about this. So I will use this format r equal to limit n tends to infinity an upon an plus 1 to find radius of convergence. So an less than bn less than n square en. So what is the concept to solve this problem? Because of we have to find out radius of convergence of bn or series in which coefficients is bn and bn is midterm. So if anyhow we consider this is the coefficient of another series, suppose the dn, and you can say this is the cn. So we have summation cn x raised to the power n, this will be another series, and summation dn x raised to the power n will be another series. So if anyhow we can find the radius of convergence of these exterior points, either left hand side or right hand side, so we can say something about series which is in mid part or interim series. So we will use to find the radius of convergence of this inequality, or anyhow we form the format of bn upon bn plus 1, or I can use r equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon an, because of we have to find out radius of convergence of bn, so I will use bn raised to the power 1 upon n. So using this inequality I'm going to format this one. So first we have to take a reciprocal of this inequality. So 1 upon n an greater than 1 upon bn greater than 1 upon n square an. In reciprocal, sign of the inequality changes. So you can say less than sign convert into greater than size sign. Now we have to take nth root. So this is 1 upon n, 1 upon n, and 1 upon n. And I can write this in good looking form. So 1 upon n raised to the power 1 upon n into an raised to the power 1 upon n greater than 1 upon bn raised to the power 1 upon n is greater than 1 upon n square an raised to the power 1 upon n. Now use limit n tends to infinity in this also, and in all limit n tends to infinity. So you can say that this limit is given to us, and this is equal to 4. Not this one, not this one is given to us. We have to given limit n tends to infinity, because of radius of convergence of an is given to us. So an raised to the power 1 upon n is equal to 4. This is given to us. So limit of, this is a point to remember, limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n raised to the power 1 upon n is 1. Or you can say limit n tends to infinity n raised to the power 1 upon n is also 1. So apply this one here. So what we have, this will become limit n tends to infinity 1 upon a n raised to the power 1 upon n greater than limit n tends to infinity 1 upon b n raised to the power 1 upon n less than 1 upon limit a n raised to the power 1 upon n. So if you are thinking where is the limit 1 upon n square goes, as I already told you, if I change n with n square in this term, so limit will be again 1. And we know that this limit is given to us 4. So 4 greater than limit, or I can say radius of convergence ROC of Bn, and this is the sign of inequality, and this one was greater than. So 4 is greater than radius of convergence of Bn greater than radius of convergence of An, and this is 4. So using this inequality, I can say radius of convergence between two numbers, between same two numbers, it means radius of convergence of Bn is exactly 4. So this series as a mid part series, or summation Bn x raised to the power n is uniformly convergent, and this will converge for all mod x less than 4. All mod x less than 4, this series will converge. So what we have options, as you can see in option 1, series will converge mod x less than 4, because of it will converge because of 2 is less than 4. So option first is true. Converge in option B, converge for all x greater than mod x greater than 2. If I choose x equal to 5, then this series will not converge. So option B is discard. In option C, it does not converge for any x with mod x greater than 0. But I can say for x equal to 3, this will series will be convergent. Does not converge for any x with mod x less than 0. But for mod x less than 2, series is convergent, as you can say for x equal to 1, x equal to 1.5, and whatever the number which are absolute value of that number is strictly less than 2, that series will converge. But term is given does not converge, so that's why option D becomes Wrong. So correct option is only option A.